I've always wanted a little printer sticker maker, and when Phomemo reached out and said that they would send me one for free, I couldn't pass it up. Now, I got to choose whatever color I wanted, so I love pink. I chose the pink one. Now, my printer came with a sample roll of paper. It was very easy to install and very easy to print. You do have to download their app to do so. It's snowing outside right now, so I took a picture with my phone and then I decided to print it out. So let me show you what it looks like. And it rips off very easily. And this is a cute little picture of a snowstorm, and it's on sticker paper. You can also print out homework, you can print out photos, and also on the app is a little AI generator, so you can even design your own images to print out as well and make all kinds of different stickers for yourself or for your friends. It's fun to decorate your computer, books, notebooks, all kinds of stuff. This printer does come with its own little charging cord, so that's nice. You don't have to worry about finding one. And it's super easy to set up. The booklet tells you exactly how to do it, and the app is very helpful as well. I really love my new little printer, and I know you'll like yours too.